Hey everybody, this is a quick video to talk about how to do a hard reset on your Bose soundbar. Now if you're having connection issues or the remote's not working or it keeps dropping off the Wi-Fi and stuff like that, you can do this hard reset. Keeping in mind it will erase all the settings and everything from your soundbar and return it to the factory settings like you took it out of the box. But if you're ready to do that, we can go ahead and proceed. Now, if you do have the Bose app and you have this device saved on the app, you just want to go ahead and delete it from the app before you do the hard reset actually on the soundbar. And then once you've done that, you're just going to come in real simply when the soundbar, make sure it's turned on. And if it's a 500, a 700, or a 900, all you're going to do is come in here and you're going to press and hold these two buttons, the power and the fast forward button, for several seconds to initiate the hard reset. And if you have a 300, you're going to come in and press the volume down and the play pause button, again for hold and several seconds, and you will see it, the lights go in and it will go through a reset cycle. Then once that happens, you can turn it on and then add it back to your app and do all the connections and everything like that. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.